In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Notion. Before we jump in, a quick reminder. Deleting a workspace is permanent. Once it's gone, all the pages, databases, and content inside that workspace will be removed, and you won't be able to get them back. So, make sure this is really what you want to do, and consider exporting or backing up anything important before you start. Let's begin inside Notion. First, open your Notion app or the web version in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. You'll want to double-check that you're in the workspace you actually want to delete, especially if you're a member of multiple workspaces. Next, we're going to open the Settings panel. Look for the Settings option, usually accessed from the sidebar or by clicking your profile or workspace icon. Once you've found it, go ahead and open Settings. This is where all your account, notification, and workspace controls live. Inside Settings, you'll see several sections. Find and select the one labeled Workspace, then choose the General tab under that section. This is where Notion keeps the main controls that affect the entire workspace, including ownership, name, and dangerous actions like deletion. Now, in the Workspace General area, scroll all the way down until you see a section called Danger Zone. The name is intentional. Everything here can significantly affect your workspace, so it's designed to make you pause and think before you proceed. Within the danger zone, you'll see an option that says Delete Entire Workspace. This is the button that will remove the workspace and all of its content. When you're absolutely sure you're deleting the right workspace, click Delete Entire Workspace. Notion will then ask you to confirm this action. You may be asked to type in the workspace name or click a final confirmation button labeled Delete Workspace. This step exists to prevent accidental deletions, so take a second to verify you've backed up any information you might need later. When you're sure, go ahead and confirm to delete the workspace. After you confirm, Notion will process the deletion and the workspace will disappear from your account. If you have other workspaces, you'll be taken back to one of those. Otherwise, you may be prompted to create or join a new workspace. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Notion.